So, you've got a Tesla, a rolling computer that feels like it's from the future. But did you know the car you drove off the lot isn't the final version? You can upgrade it without waiting for the next model. Factory customization is limited, and that minimalist look leaves room for real-world improvements. That's where aftermarket mods come in. No need to worry about voiding your warranty or needing an engineering degree. With the right upgrades, you can boost comfort, protect your investment, and make your Tesla even more functional. Today I'll show you the 10 best Tesla mods every owner should consider. These upgrades bridge the gap between great tech and a truly livable daily driver. Let's get started and take your Tesla from stock to supercharged. First up, the most essential mod all-weather floor mats. The stock carpet mats look good for about 5 minutes, but one rainy day or a spilled coffee and they're done. Dirt, stains and moisture can ruin your interior and even damage the floor pan. All-weather mats are custom fit, with high walls to contain spills and debris. They're made from durable, easy-to-clean materials. Just pull them out, hose them down, and they're good as new. If you live anywhere with seasons, these are a lifesaver. They protect your car's value by keeping the original carpets pristine. For families, they catch everything from juice boxes to playground sand. Even solo commuters track in dirt daily. These mats are your first line of defense. The best brands, like 3D Max Spider or Tasmanian, fit perfectly and don't slide around. They look like they belong in the car, not like an afterthought. Before any other mod, get these mats. They're inexpensive and make a huge difference. Protect your Tesla from daily life and keep it looking new for years. It's a smart, practical upgrade you'll appreciate every time you get in. Start here. It's the foundation for a clean, comfortable Tesla. Next, let's fix the center console chaos. Tesla's deep storage bin quickly becomes a black hole for keys, wallets, and cables. The solution: a center console organizer tray. It creates a second layer of storage, giving you easy access to essentials while keeping the rest tucked away. Custom molded trays fit perfectly and often have compartments for coins, cards, and more. No more digging for your garage opener or sunglasses. Everything's visible and within reach. Installation is as simple as dropping it in. The best organizers even allow for charging cables to pass through neatly. Materials match the Tesla interior, so it looks like it came from the factory. This small change declutters your space and your mind. For the price of a nice dinner, you solve one of the most annoying usability issues. It's a no-brainer for a more organized, stress-free drive. Upgrade your daily routine with this simple mod. The Tesla touchscreen is the heart of the car, but it's a fingerprint and glare magnet. Enter the screen protector, your choice of tempered glass or matte. Tempered glass keeps the glossy look and protects against scratches, but the real game changer is the matte protector. It kills glare and resists fingerprints. Suddenly you can see your navigation clearly, even in direct sunlight. The screen stays clean longer, and you're not constantly wiping it down. Installation kits make it easy, with alignment frames and cleaning tools included. The best protectors are nearly invisible once installed. It's a cheap, effective way to protect your car's most important interface. Enjoy a cleaner, more usable screen every day. Don't let smudges and reflections ruin your Tesla experience. This is a must-have upgrade for every owner. Wireless charging in Teslas is convenient, until your phone slides off or charges at a snail's pace. Aftermarket wireless charging pads fix both problems. They offer faster charging, up to 15 watts, so your phone actually gains power during your drive. Grippy silicone surfaces and better ledges keep your phone secure, even on sharp turns. Some pads have LED indicators to show charging status at a glance. Installation is plug and play, just swap out the old pad. Top brands like Jita and Taps match the Tesla interior perfectly. No more flying phones or slow charging. It's a simple upgrade that makes a daily difference. If you rely on your phone, this is a must. Upgrade your charging pad and never look back. Tesla's interior lighting is minimal, sometimes too minimal. Ambient LED lighting kits add a premium, customizable glow to your cabin. Flexible light tubes or strips tuck into panel gaps and are nearly invisible when off. At night, they transform the interior with millions of color options, all controlled by an app. Adjust brightness, set dynamic modes, or match your mood with a tap. It's not just for looks. Soft, indirect light makes the cabin more comfortable and inviting. Installation is DIY friendly. with tools included for tucking in the lights. Power comes from USB or the 12V socket, no complex wiring. The result is a high-end lounge-like feel that rivals luxury brands. It's a practical upgrade for night driving and a huge style boost. Make your Tesla uniquely yours with ambient lighting. It's a small effort for a big payoff. Teslas have tons of cargo space, but it's easy for things to slide and spill. Trunk partitions and dividers keep groceries and bags upright and contained. Custom-fit bins for the sub-trunk and Frunk organize emergency kits, cables, and supplies. Insulated cooler bags fit perfectly for road trips or grocery runs. Cargo nets and drop-in organizers prevent items from rolling around. All solutions are easily removable when you need full space. They make daily errands smoother and keep your car tidy. No more demolition derby in the trunk. Everything stays put. These simple mods make your Tesla more practical and serene. Organization is key to a stress-free drive. Invest in storage solutions for a better everyday experience. The all-glass roof is stunning, but on hot days, it turns your Tesla into a greenhouse. A custom-fit roof sunshade is the answer. It blocks heat and glare, keeping the cabin cooler and reducing AC use. Installation is quick, just pop it in with included clips. Remove it easily when you don't need it, it folds up for storage. Some kits offer blackout covers for extreme heat. The difference is dramatic. No more getting baked by the sun. It's a low-cost, high-impact comfort upgrade. Make your Tesla livable, year-round, with a sunshade. Stay cool and protect your interior. Standard Tesla pedals are functional but boring. Aftermarket performance pedal covers add a sporty, premium look, just like the performance models. Made from aluminum alloy with non-slip rubber, they're durable and stylish. Installation is easy, just slip them on, with a bit of effort for the brake pedal. The upgrade is instant, sleek metallic pedals greet you every time you drive. They provide better grip, especially in wet conditions. It's a small detail that elevates the whole cockpit. For a few bucks you get a big boost in style and feel. This is a smile per dollar mod you'll notice every day. Make your Tesla's interior as sporty as its performance. Tesla's Dashcam and Sentry mode are only as good as your storage device. The included USB drive is slow and unreliable. Don't risk losing crucial footage. Upgrade to a high-endurance microSD card with a USB adapter, or a portable SSD. These are built for constant video recording and won't fail when you need them most. SSDs like the Samsung T7 Shield offer speed, durability, and huge capacity. More storage means more saved clips and less hassle. Format your new drive in the car before using it. This upgrade is cheap insurance for your Tesla's security features. Don't wait for the stock drive to fail. Upgrade now. Protect your car and your peace of mind. You touch the steering wheel every time you drive, make it perfect. Custom-fit steering wheel covers add grip, comfort, and style. Choose from Alcantara, leather, or carbon fiber for a tailored feel. For a full transformation, stitched wraps give an OEM plus look. Add a colored stripe for a sporty touch. Steering wheel trays turn your car into a mobile office when parked. These mods personalize your driving experience and reduce fatigue. Whether for comfort, aesthetics, or utility, there's an accessory for you. Small changes here make a big difference on every drive. Upgrade your wheel for a better connection to your Tesla. That's it. 10 powerful mods to upgrade your Tesla experience. From protection and organization to style and comfort, these upgrades make your car more livable and enjoyable. None of these mods change what makes a Tesla special, they just make it better for real life. The best upgrades solve daily annoyances and make you love your car even more. Check the description for links to my favorite products. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Shahab IT for more smart tech tips. Let me know your must-have Tesla mod in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.